Hey friends, hey! My name is Venice. If you're new to my channel, this is a channel about health, beauty, inspiration, fashion, and hair. So today we're going to be actually switching gears a bit. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I've been juicing for the last 20 something days. So this is going to be a video on how I make my juices. This is a miracle juice cleanse, and I'll just leave a picture of everything that I'm using right here so you can go ahead and purchase them if you like to make this juice as well. So I'm gonna first start by washing everything in salt water. So I'm washing all the celery and breaking them in pieces so that I can get like right in the bottom and the roots. I'm actually gonna cut off the bottom of that. You'll see that in a few. I'm washing my beets because we know that beets grow in the ground, from the ground, so they're definitely dirty. Washing my cucumbers, anything that was sprayed on them in the process of them growing, pesticides. We want to get rid of all of that because this is a miracle cleanse. We need to clean our fruits and vegetables so that our insides can be clean as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash all of that. This is where I'm cutting the bottom of the celery stalk, that hard part. I don't want that. It doesn't taste too good. So I'm going to cut all of that off of the celery stalks. And then I'm going to, do that with everything else, such as the beetroot and the carrots. Now, this juice is really what it says, a miracle cleanse. Like, if you just think about all the benefits of each fruit and vegetable that's being used here, cucumber is a fruit, right? Anyways, yeah, I think so. Beets a fruit? No, beets a vegetable. Okay, guys, don't mind me. But anyways, if you think of all the benefits from each of these vegetables and fruits that we're using, because lemon is a fruit, then you'll understand what I mean about a miracle cleanse. Like, it will turn your whole health around if you drink this continuously. So carrots, it improves your skin. It's great for your digestive system. It's great for your eye health. It's loaded with vitamin A, C, and K. The cucumbers, they help you lose weight because they're full of water, and you guys will see that when I'm juicing it, like how much water you get out of the cucumber. It makes you hydrated, of course, because it is full of water. It also fights inflammation. A lot of these vegetables that we're using today is fighting inflammation. It's anti-inflammatory, full of it. The beets itself, the color, I love it. It tastes like earth. It tastes like dirt, but it tastes so good, and it's so good for you. It purifies your blood. It reduces your cholesterol. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's rich in fibers, rich in vitamin C, magnesium, iron. Like, I can go on and on. So if you're not taking or including beets in your diet, whether you're juicing it, cooking it, boiling it, baking it, you should definitely do it. Like, it tastes good to me. I don't know, like, a lot of people don't like the taste of beets, but beets is good for you, so kind of don't mind the taste. Put some lemon in it, mask it with some apples or something, but it tastes good. The celery, it reduces high cholesterol. It's great for weight loss because it's low in calories. It fights infections. It cures bloating. It improves your digestive system, and it's also good for your skin, y'all. Like, skin is so important to me. Like, it's good for your skin, okay? That's enough reason alone for me to drink celery juice. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory. It's rich in vitamin C. Folate is B9, vitamin B9, potassium. Digestive system is great for that as well. Like, ginger is amazing. You can drink ginger tea. You could just drink ginger by itself. I'm throwing in a few green apples here, as you can see, because we're talking about masking the taste of some of these fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna just throw in some green apple. You could choose to do so or not choose to do so. It's not included in the ingredients, but I'm throwing it in just to mask it and give it a little sweeter taste, because nothing really is seeming to be sweet if I don't do that. So I'm just gonna throw that ginger in there. I'm also throwing cilantro in there as well. So I did add a few of my own extra things in there, just because I'm being a little extra. And cilantro may improve your sleep quality. It's also high in vitamin B9. It's high in vitamins A, vitamin C. great heavy metal cleanser, so it's really good for you all around. Also, I'm including in this, ingredients, it's in this juice, lemon. Lemon, as many of you know, it's really good in like these for good detox water. Like if you put some lemon and some mint into some water, it's very hydrating. It's really good. It flavors your water. But other than that, it builds immunity. It makes your skin radiant. Like it's just, it makes your skin glow, period. It reduces your cholesterol. It also is an anti-inflammatory. So if you are dealing with muscle pains, muscle aches, like body pains, like you can definitely drink this juice to get rid of those pains, because this juice is an anti-inflammatory juice, because a lot of the things that we're using, it contains anti-inflammatory agents. So yes, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a bag in the garbage part of my juicer. This juicer is a Mueller juicer. I love it. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. This is my first time actually using the juicer, so you don't have to break the celery in half. I actually realized that this juicer is super duty, so I'm going to actually put everything in there as it is. These beets are really small, so definitely gonna put that in there as it is. But if you have like a jumbo big size beet, you might want to cut that into like 4 pieces, just so, well, one, it won't fit in the mouth of the juicer, but just to avoid it jamming it up. So look how this juice is looking. Like I just put the carrot in there. You can kind of see like the orange from the carrot, and then you get the beets, and I'm just gonna juice away, guys. It just looks amazing. Let's just enjoy the view. Alright guys, so these bottles, I purchased it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below where I purchased it. I'm just going to go ahead and rinse all 3 of the bottles, and they come with, of course, caps. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill these bottles up with the juice. I did taste a little bit of it after I put the lemon in it. It is so delicious. So my plan is to have 1 juice in the morning, 1 juice for lunch, and then 1 before I leave work. So I want to consume all 3 juices before I leave work, and I think I could do it. Well, I actually did do it, but at that moment I was like, I think I could do it. So anyways, what you see me doing is basically trying to see how much this 1 little jug could actually fill up, because like I said, this is my first time using the juicer. So I wasn't really sure, like, could it really fill all 3 bottles, but I just wanted them all to be kind of like the same size or the same amount, so that when I'm consuming it, I really feel like I'm consuming a full bottle. Alright, so right here I'm going to go ahead and actually juice a little more celery and a little more cucumbers, carrots, and everything. Just juicing more of it, because I noticed that that little jug did not fill up all 3 bottles. So I do actually want to have full servings for all 3. So I'm just going to juice a little more of everything, and that'll help. That'll actually do the trick. So we're done. I made all 3 bottles, and I pretty much use 1 jug and a half to fill all 3 bottles. And this is how much trash we have from all the fruits and vegetables. And all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and take the bag out and throw it in the garbage. So that saves me from having to clean that little garbage container. I don't know why I'm calling it a garbage container. I'm sure it has a name, but that's what that's the purpose of it. So hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, if you do try this recipe or this juice and you add anything special into it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your juice recipes are. I'm looking to try new juice recipes and, you know, get some new juicing ideas, so drop them down below. Thank you so much again for watching my video, guys. Let's continue 2020 in the right direction for our health, wealth, and, you know, just our overall being. Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you guys.